Hello. Okay, next Omegle video. This time I'm dressed up as my, I want to say, radioactive zombie? Some kind of radiation leak or maybe even a biohazard accident. I don't know. Either way, it's pretty sticky and gross looking. If you'd like to learn how to do this makeup for yourself, I'll pop a link on the screen up there. It'll also be in the description bar below. And with all that said, let's jump on Omegle.
Oh! Oh!
What? Hello?
Bruh.
Hi.
What the shit?
Bit rude.
Oh, that's nasty, bro.
Thanks.
But dude, take that shit off your face. I'm about to throw up. I'm sorry.
I grew these myself. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Doing good, how about you?
Wonderful, thank you.
You got something on your face. Yeah. Oh, just watch out. You look good.
Ah, you too.
I'm lying, but...
Oh. Well, you know this makeup has a message, right? If you run your hands over the various bumps and boils and lesions, they spell out you're a cunt in Braille. Hello? Kitty!
Dude, I love your fucking cosplay, holy shit.
Whoa, what the hell?
Hello?
Hi. Oh, damn.
Oh god,
Hi.
Thank you! Oh. I mean, I always knew it personally, but now you just confirmed it, so I know I'm hot.
Did you do it by yourself?
Yeah, I grew them.
Wait, what?
Snape, Severus Snape. Golden years. Oh, I'm such a bitch. Hello.
Oh no, that creeps me out. No,
Rude. The sheer, utter rudeness. Just jealous of my hair. Jesus fucking Christ, that looks like a burst ravioli. Oh my god, why can I smell it?
Oh, yeah! Pinkstylist!
Hi!
Pinkstylist! Hey, is that really you, bro? Is that really
Yeah,
you?
hi!
Kelly, get over here.
Bro, it's Pinkstylist, bro! Are you recording a video?
Yeah, always.
Hey!
Let's go ahead. Hey!
Hi!
What's up?
Not much, just sitting here, trying not to pick my boils.
Do it.
Yeah. And now I really want to. I mean, this one's particularly meaty, and I really just want to get in there, but no.
It's like, drain it into a cup and drink it.
Right? God, that sounds so good right now. I'm particularly parched. Ugh. Oh, it got too real. It got too real.
Straight from the face is how I like it.
Oh.
Sometimes I like to get real close and bite it and go suck it out.
Ugh. Oh, I like you. I like you a lot.
Like Squidward eating the Krabby Patty that one episode. Oh, it's really zoomed in on his.
Yes! I hate that I know what you're talking about.
That's what I'm gonna do to the big meaty one.
Ugh. Would you like to see a man hit himself? I can do them with a hammer. Oh god! Oh god, I really, really don't, but at the same time, morbid fascination is making me really want to see it! Oh shit. Oh, now I'm never gonna know if he did it! Oh, this world is fucking doomed. Hello!
oh my god.
Hi!
Well,
Hello.
that's wild.
Thank you!
What happened to you?
Do you want the long answer or the short answer?
Probably short answer.
I went to Melania Trump's plastic surgeon. I think it went well. I look better than her.
Jesus
Pretty.
fucking Christ. You scared me there for a bit, but god damn. That's fucking really good. Holy shit.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. Put up 2 fingers.
No.
But why?
I feel like it's a gateway to prostitution.
Oh, I mean, Jesus Christ! Like, all right, you know what? Never mind. You know what? That's my fault. I am completely sorry.
Hi!
Dude, your face is kind of messed up.
You know what? I've been getting that a lot tonight, and it was upsetting me at first, but now it's kind of growing on me, like herpes, and I've clearly had enough of that tonight, so, thank you, but fuck off.
Thank you! Little bitch.
Dickhead. Hi, you two.
Hello. Hello. What happened to your face?
I wished really hard on a shooting star to look more attractive than Donald Trump, and it worked.
Ah.
Hi.
Whoa, yo, bro. You got something here, 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 and there.
Oh yeah. Huh. You know, the funny thing is, I was actually just watching a documentary on naked mole rats, and that, my friend, is uncanny.
Oh.
Doggo! Doggo! Hello.
Yo. Bitch, yo, hold the fuck. Low-key lit as fuck, but scary as shit.
Thank you!
Don't smile. That's the creepy part. I'm sorry. I feel so mean. Okay, no, you're... Wait, okay, now I feel... Stop looking at me like that, bitch. I'm sorry, I didn't...
So I can't look at you, and I can't smile.
I'm sorry. It's just like your makeup's really... Stop!
About that. Oh, you're pretty. You're
Thank you!
pretty. Okay, you have Kobe?
No, but I can see how two people of limited intelligence could think that.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, bloody hell. Alright, don't mind me, I can wait. Wait, you can actually see me? And you didn't stop? You dirty bastard. What the... Oh, shit. Well... Oh god, thank you. Alright, you may continue. That's a duck.
And that's a hot beach.
Oh. Hello.
What the heck? You're so pretty. Cute.
Thank you. I tried a new contouring technique.
Are you allergic?
No. Why?
You're extra bubbly.
As in my personality?
Yes.
Oh my god, you're so scary!
I'm sorry.
What the hell? Is that real?
Yes.
No way, bro. Touch it, pop it.
What?
Pop it.
No.
Yes.
Fucking touch it, pop it. Fuck it, I'm not a fucking bop it. Hello. Your face is really aesthetically pleasing. Like a sim. Oh god, I've seen enough shock videos in my life to know that this is one of them setups. I'm going, I'm gone. No. Honestly, the most sexy thing I've actually seen on this website. Shockingly. Oh, no. If you keep doing that, one of my pustules is going to burst. Oh god, I've made it too real. No!
What's up, man? What are you doing?
Not much, I'm just trying to focus on not picking my boils. This one's looking particularly meaty right now. What the frickin' heck is happening here? Well, either way, I'm just glad I didn't see what happened next. Yeah.
No, you ugly bastard.
Bit harsh.
I'm joking, you look sexy.
Okay.
How have you done that?
Magic.
Why is your face like that? Why are you laughing?
Cause.
See your two front teeth have been knocked out your head. See my boyfriend, he'll come knock you out.
You know, you ain't half full of shit.
What?
I bet you're one of those wankers that stockpiled fucking toilet paper, ain't you?
How?
It's a respiratory virus, not a fucking Taco Bell, you dickhead. Twat.
Shut the fuck up, you puff.
You know what? You're right. And despite the fact that you're an enormous cock, I'm still not interested. Bye.